y'all, welcome back to my channel. So I need to do a little bit of cleaning. I already did the downstairs, so I need to do the upstairs, which includes my bedroom, bathroom, the laundry room, and then the loft, which I really am not in, my husband is in, and then our second bathroom, which really isn't used because we don't have guests a lot, but I still like to do like a brief clean over, sweep over of it. So I'm just going to show you what we're working with. This is the loft. It's not terrible, but again, my husband has cups and plates. Don't know why this pillow's here. This is the vacuum, so don't worry about that. Now our bedroom is a completely different story. I've been doing laundry, so all the dryer sheets are here. I did wash the sheets already, but we always just manage to accumulate cups. This is my side. I have cups for water, and then this has become like a catch-all for everything in life. Christmas pajamas I bought for us, my husband's Tupperware, I don't even know why this is up here, jeans, my husband's work bag from his work trip he went on a week ago that he still has not unpacked, just stuff everywhere. And then this is the bathroom, which is always looking a hot mess express here. This again is another catch-all that I need to figure out what to do with. So we are going to get to cleaning, and I hope you enjoy.
And sounding joy. Repeat the sounding joy. Repeat the sounding joy.
Okay, y'all, so this is nearing towards the end of the video. I have the bathroom and the bedroom, but it would have been like a 30-minute video, so I'm gonna break it up into 2 parts. Y'all stay tuned for the second part of this video where I'm cleaning my bedroom and my bathroom. Y'all make sure to hit that red subscribe button. Also, like this video and leave comments down below. Hope y'all have a great day.